Right guys, how's it going? So I managed to get that track. I'm not sure if I showed you that or not, but I managed to get this track here all done, and you should be able to see it there. A hole to feed next door, but I need two holes to feed next door. I need one for the internet and one for the power. So fun. Yeah, here we are. So I'm gonna cut this one now. I'm gonna get this box is all cut out. It's actually gonna be like 5 singles there, well 2 doubles and 1 single. Just quickly cut that one on up, and I cut that one on up as well. So I think once I finish there, I'll work my way into the wee sort of do this light switch then as well, straight up, and do this fuse spur and this fuse spur as well. So that'll do tumble dryer and washing machine. Then I need to work out where the dishwasher is going to go. So sinks here, and obviously there's pipes and stuff here. So it's either dishwasher there or there. I'm kind of thinking here because it's closer to the water in and out, so just make plumbing a bit easier. But I'll just double check that with the boss to make sure that's okay. And then after that, I think that's all the electrical sort of stuff done. I think I'm going to cut this box though, and then put a few center sort of grounds in, because just give myself a bit of a break. But I'm taking a break by just brushing up after, as you'll notice it's a bit cleaner there. Again, I actually do think I need one more track coming up here for the internet. You can't run, well, I think you can, but I don't think you're supposed to run the internet and the electric in together for interference. And look, just brushing up the piles as I go. I'm not going to brush this room too much, I just brushed off that wall because there will be droppings, and I'll get it all gathered up soon after I do it. This one took a wee bit of working out to do. Again, I'm just drilling holes through and measure. You can see internet and then the power to do the other sockets. Again, there goes glass, but it might need a wee bit of alteration still. I'm messing about with some of them holes just to get the power in. So this is the idea, that the pipe will come in and go in either just the side, maybe get it just to go in that side there, and then hard to do with 2 hands. Then obviously there'll be another socket here, and a pipe between the two doubles, and then basically nearly on top of that here will be the single, and that'll be fed from the other side into that. So a wee bit of finessing with pipe bending and stuff. Probably need one of them springs to go around and bend it. But I'll come around the other side here and see how we get on there. I'll have to watch my step in here, still lots of trippers. So here we are on this side, guys. Again, that that might need to be cut out a wee bit further to get over to here. Just to get in to the side of this pipe. I should have really brought a box or 2 around with me. Is there anything lying about? Let's see. Well, here's something here. Gives a bit of an idea, because obviously on the back line boxes you can come through right through the back or through the sides, and that's going to be something like so. But yeah, I'm going to need to come a wee bit more on this angle here, so I'm going to need to come right through that one, see what that is. So we'll figure that out shortly here. It's not a big deal, but once I finesse that, it should be pretty simple then. But yeah, fingers crossed anyway. So with the dishwasher, just had something to eat there. Not bad. I'm gonna put the dishwasher this side, as the boss said. Might not be enough room there. I do agree. I think that's the right call. And there's 3 more to do in here. Again, I think I'm gonna just stick with the tracking here, and then, or at least try and get the tracking done, and then I can concentrate on doing the groundwork for the grounds for the electrics. But yeah, I got that cut through there. I don't know if you can see it. Widened a wee bit there, so it will work pretty good. Yeah, it should get everything in. Might need a wee bit more estimate, just pipes wise. Then I'm going to cut this track. Should be okay with the glass. And I think there's just 2 more in the hallway to do, and then that's it. So I think I'll get them done, and then if I get a bit of time, I'll do a bit of woodwork. Again, don't want to wreck myself just taking time and cleaning up. Trying to be neat as possible as I go here, but I do kind of want to do them grounds just so that's another job done. So got loads done here, tracking wise. I've only 1 more track to do, and we're going to drill through a socket in this bedroom here. I'll just show you. So if we mark in that socket, that far socket, I'm going to drill through, and then wherever that does out here, I do have 1 mark there, but wherever it does out here, that's it. That's that one sorted. Sort of messed about there, cutting, just marking these all up, getting them all sort of keyed up, and loads. Had to trim that top one there, and all these need to be kangoed back way too far out. I know this is not level, but gives you an idea that it's not, you know, it's not right. So I'll need that wall, specifically that wall, really good, because that's where the stairs are going to be going up. So it needs to be right. I think I have the rest of them cleaned, so it's just really 3 corners. Yeah, that one probably be already off the frame. So 2 corners left to clean up on that. I think there is 1 brick in the other room to trim off, but kind of getting a bit tired now, pushing the tracer about in the Kango, just chipping it all out. I think I'm going to jump on to just getting this grounds in, and then I'll probably just fly through the house doing them, and then that'll probably do me. Don't know how many times I'm going to have to try and take this clip, but basically I've got lots of tracking done, more or less all the extra sockets in for the dishwasher, for the washing machine and tumble dryer, the light switch in there, the light switch in the office, the sockets in the living room, and track through, messed about, cutting loads of these corners again, tidied that one up, cut them, they still need chiseled off so that they're not sitting too, they're not right as is, so I need to get them trimmed up just so I'm starting off on a good surface plaster wise. 1 track left to do, and then 1 socket to drill through here, and I think that's most of that heavy sort of work done, but I'm tired now, So I'm going to come here now and start flying through the house, getting some of these electrical grounds work done.
What we do in life echoes in eternity.
Like and subscribe to Rack Plastering.